Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to autosave Snapchat pictures to your iPhone gallery. So for you to do that, you have to tap on Bitmoji or your profile icon on Snapchat. Then you tap on the gear button. Then you're going to scroll down to the part where you see memories. Okay, here it is under notification, memories. Then you're going to tap. Then tap on save button. So from here you can decide if you want your snap to go to your memory, or you want memories and camera roll, or you want only camera roll. So the difference between this part is that when you click on these memories, your snap stays within the Snapchat, and if you pick memories and camera roll, the video will be divided into two parts. One will go to your memories and one will also store in your camera roll. And once you pick the camera roll, it means it saves directly to your iPhone gallery. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.